This, as I mentioned, is just part of a consultation with the people, the ground, the way forward in our country. The leadership here have expressed their concerns about many things that are affecting the Kenyan people. They've talked about this health care system, this SHA, which is having serious challenges as things stand today. They've also talked about inadequate funding coming to the counties, which is again a national issue. But the MCAs here have talked about reduction in allocation of funding to county assemblies, which is across board. Then there's also issue of infrastructure development, the issue of affordable housing, the issues of the markets which are being rolled out. All these have some questions that are required to be dealt with. They generally believe that our country is in a crisis, but that this crisis is solvable and that it should be solved. So I would say that I'm going to say which way we want to go, but generally our country has reached this place because of lack of proper attention to critical issues. And the issue of pilferage is also a major contributory factor. The animal called corruption in service delivery is itself very responsible for lack of efficient services in the country.